The survey was posted online on LinkedIn and given to the audience of SurveyMonkey to generate the responses needed. So SurveyMonkey maintains a database of participants who are readily available for a small fee. The survey responses sourced from SurveyMonkey consisted of 69% of the total responses. The first set of questions helped collect demographics information about the participants. It contained personal questions about their gender, education, and occupation. Generally, these questions helped me gain a clear understanding of the participants' background. Majority of the participants held a bachelor's degree, which forms about 73%, and job title of IT manager or similar, which was about 37% of the responses. The other question generally focused on the industry which the subjects were in and their specific organization. So this paper does not offer specific analysis of industries, but rather a holistic view on perceptions about cloud computing and security. So this is something that can be extended in future work as industry needs can be different. But as expected, majority of the responses were from IT or technology industry in general, followed by telecommunications. The survey's primary goal is to identify whether security concerns are the major hindrance for individuals to access cloud computing. And as mentioned before, the research did not seek to focus on individual groups or agencies, and therefore there was no distinction between data offered by government officials or business executives, as well as the industry that they operate in. So based on the analysis, about 30% of the subjects responded to have minimum exposure to cloud computing. 25% responded that their exposure was moderate, and 30% stated they have high exposure to cloud computing. The remaining 15% stated that they had no exposure to cloud computing. The data here was contrary to my expectations, since 85% of the participants were already exposed to cloud computing. Thus, 85% of the firms in the survey incorporated some level of cloud computing in their operations. The question about whether participants planned to move to cloud computing in the questionnaire mainly applied to the 15% of the participants who had no exposure to cloud computing. All the participants responded yes to this question. As for their considerations for adoption, two-thirds of them mentioned ease of use, while all of them mentioned safety and affordability as the main factor. Um, Similarly, participants who had moderate and medium exposure to cloud computing offered their responses to this question. They all agreed that they were considering increasing the level of cloud computing adoption into their firm's operation. According to the analysis, this group mainly focused on security aspects of using cloud as a significant consideration before moving forward. The members who had high exposure to cloud computing stated that they would like to enhance their adoption to include more operational processes than the current level. So based on the overall analysis of the data, it is evident that the cloud computing is widely used in modern organizations. The global technological revolution requires all business entities and organizations to incorporate this technology into their operations. However, organizations are still skeptical about using cloud computing due to significant security concerns. The next question was the major security concerns they had about cloud computing technology. So all the participants mentioned either one of cyber attacks, misconfiguration, and unauthorized access as a top concern. Only 30% of the participants mentioned insider threats as a significant security concern. That 30% comprised mainly of individuals with high exposure to cloud computing. Insider threat refers to threats from trusted members of the organization. These individuals may either be current or former workers based on the analysis. Cyber attacks seemed to be a significant cause for most participants worry, given the current state and the recent attacks that we have seen. So this paper further offers simplified definition of these concerns and the ways that the decision makers can mitigate the risk posed by these security threats. So, although the findings could not be generalized, the research supported the common belief that decision makers in the United States businesses primarily rely on cost savings and regulatory compliance incurred with cloud while exploring this technology. Moreover, security was found to play an important role based on its direct correlation with cloud decisions. This study aimed at examining the impact of cost, security, and compliance on cloud computing adoption by a subset of SurveyMonkey audience. In this study, the sample size was only 102, and there was no correlation study between the industry and the industry size with the survey results. The study could be expanded to be conducted per industry and also consider the size when the decisions are made. Furthermore, there were no detailed analysis performed on why the security concerns mentioned in the survey results existed and what solutions can be implemented to minimize their effect. Time and money constraints limited this study. A continuous study across industries would be needed to get more holistic and concrete results. The study was limited to understand the influence of one variable only, which is the cloud security, and thus the need for further studies on other innovation features like cloud complexity, availability, and privacy that remains the challenge for businesses would be required to extend this study further. That's it for my presentation on the thesis. Thank you so much for listening.